Okay, guys, my name is Mr. DeVore, teaching math. Hopefully, you guys have already met me, but in case you see this over the weekend and you haven't met me yet, I'll be your math teacher this year. So, I haven't tried this before, so this is the first time. So, I'm going to do this video and try to show you how you can access any of the different classes you might need to that have an online component. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and share my screen with you so you can watch this entire video. I'll post this and then you guys can use it if you forget how to do some of the stuff. So I'm going to share my entire screen, and this will take a second to boot up, okay? So, and you parents out there who happen to see this, make sure you watch it. That way you can help your kids. Now, the main reason I'm showing you guys this is because there's times when you're not going to want to use your Chromebook, okay? And so what you want to be able to do is to go through and log into a different computer and still access, like for instance, we're going to be doing Savvas, which is an online program for math, and you're going to want to be able to access that on that computer. So here's the first thing you want to do. Okay, first thing you want to do is open up a new tab. Now, this first part is very important, especially if you're on somebody else's computer. Okay, so you want to go up here to the Google, and you want to get on Google Chrome. So you have Google Chrome, and you want to make sure that you're logged in. Okay, make sure you're logged in. That will ensure that you can go through and access the stuff, and then Google Chrome will log you into any of these programs you do. Okay, so the next step is to come up here and you're going to actually Google search Mountain Home School District. Mine already came up already. Okay, so I'm going to hit return on that. Now, when these come up, you want to make sure it's Mountain Home School District 193. There's a Mountain Home School District in Arkansas, and I've had some kids get on that one and then they can't find stuff. So make sure it's that one. Okay. Now, one of the reasons I also decided to show you guys is because something changed in here and I didn't even realize it. I had to go ask one of the teachers. So you want to go over here, Parent Students, and then go to Parent Student Center. Okay. Now, the links used to be over here, but they're not anymore. They're actually down here. And the link that you want to click is Clever Portal. Okay. You can get your PowerSchool there too. So we're going to do that. This is why we want the Google to be logged in, because then I can say log in with Google, okay, and this will put you to the Clever Portal. Okay, so we're waiting for this to come up. Now there are two specific ones I'm going to want you guys to find, and I'm going to show you how to do this. So you're going to scroll down on this. Now, if you have extra apps up here that you don't need, see how this heart comes up? You can actually click that and that will make that go away. So it's not up at the top. It's not a favorite. So we're going to be looking for a few different ones, okay? The first one right here is Canvas. Canvas is where all your information is going to be. So I'm going to heart click this. And your other one over here is Savvas. This is your easy bridge for your math curriculum. So I'm going to click that too. Now, if you notice, when I did that, they are both up here, okay? Now, Canvas is what you're going to go to. You click it then, and this is what you're going to go to see your home page with all of your different classes on it. Now, with mine, what you're going to see are the different classes I'm teaching. Okay, I have this is my training one here. This is my practice sandbox. And then you can see I've got these different ones: first period, third period, fourth period, fifth, sixth, seventh. Okay, so these are the different classes. For you, your different classes will show up and we'll go through and you'll be able to click into each one of those individual ones. Then I can also go back, and this is what you're going to do, and you can go into Savvas. Now, this was known as Pearson. This program is going to be tough for you guys. You're going to have to really stay on it, but you can click into this. And when you click into this, what it's going to do is it's going to bring you to a page that says this, okay? So it looks like, oh, you are not enrolled in any classes at this time, that type of thing. But all you have to do is come over here to the Savvas Realize and click this, all right? Now, what's going to come up is, well, not today, but that will still bring it. So I'm sorry I don't have the actual page because it looks like they're doing an update. You're going to actually be able to go in and see your class here. Okay. So that's pretty much what I wanted to show you, how to get to Clever. And you want to be able to look through Clever, and you'll see, guys, there's a bunch of different apps in here, and any of them that you think you're going to use, you want to click on them so that they're up here. This is my Skyward. This is my Power Teacher. I can get to all these from this page. Okay. And like I said, and this is most important, guys, and I'm going to say this again. I'm going to open this up. And right here, you need to make sure you are logged into Google. If you are not logged into your Google account on the page, then when you go to Clever or any of this other stuff, it's not going to log you in right away. Okay, you'll go to the parent student portal and you'll hit that Clever portal and it'll say you don't have access and you'll have to log in. It's much easier to log into Google Chrome first and then do it. Okay, as far as your Savvas, I will go through at some point after this is updated, and then I'm going to show you how to use this program here, because this is going to be your math program. All right, guys. So I'm going to stop sharing my screen real quick. See how long that takes. I'll go back to the Google Meets. Okay, so guys, I am here to help, okay? So I'm going to try to post as many videos as I can to help you guys out. Make sure that you know what's going on. I will post another video going through Canvas too, so you can see how mine's working, so you can access everything. I will keep these videos up so that you guys can watch them. All right, guys? But I'm here to help you. All right? So hopefully we'll have a good year. All right? So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, and we'll talk to you soon.